plug on here. Look back here. Look over there, Sean.
Put the camera over?
Yeah, camera back here, camera. Look at that. We had this type of plug. We had that type of plug, right? That's a 3-prong plug. Or socket. But we had different right here. Camera, you gotta hold it right now.
Alright.
We had this type of plug in there with Sean. So we took this off. This the one we had. Camera, you gotta get it right.
I got it.
You gotta hold it right.
Okay.
You gotta step back and all that. So we took this off here first. Okay? So I'm just showing you because we went to the store and got this stuff. I ain't know how to do none of this.
Right.
Shit, I tore it down.
Ow!
Alright.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright, come on this side, Cameron.
Alright, excuse me. I'm gonna go this way.
This was on here, so I had to unscrew these. And I need to tighten it up too again. I had to unscrew those because all these was on there. I was like, in my head, I was like, I didn't even know how to do that. But in my head, I was like, I don't know how to do that. So I pulled them off. This right here, pull these off there. That would make the washing machine go. I think this was on top of here to make go in these holes. So we went to Home Depot and we asked for a plug for a dryer. This is a Depot asked for a dryer with plug replacement instead of having, because some places just at this house, at our old house, we had a full prong plug and it was okay for that one. At this house, we got a 3 plug. At the Home Depot, we asked for what's on?
Power cord. For the dryer.
For the dryer. So really, you need this. You could use a regular screwdriver, what you have, and put this in reverse, so I can show you how easy it is. Pull it out.
Trying to see it.
Oh. Shoot. I'm trying to show you what Sean and camera, because this is the type of stuff y'all can do and it'll save y'all a lot of money. Because if I would took it somewhere else, they talking about, I don't know how much they gonna charge, but if y'all was a person who wanted to make some money, how much would y'all charge to do this?
$6.50.
Like, say if y'all playing a video game and y'all, like, you know how you were showing, I know you do it sometimes, you know how to change the game or different rules to the game, or change your outfit and all that stuff, or change the mode. You can probably charge somebody who don't know how to do it. How much would you charge somebody to change the I don't know what kind of stuff you can change on the game?
Cars, how to put it, and stuff like that, the engine.
Yeah. Like, you can charge somebody a crazy amount of money to do that. So I took this off and it was really simple. I thought it was super hard. But if I took it to a mechanic place, they would probably charge me like $300 just to do this, maybe. I'm like, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. So basically they just told me, and I'm not a professional. Look at your camera. I am not a professional. And you are not either. But at the same time, like, disconnect your power from the unit, so it lets you keep your stuff. But all you do is just put it back in there, just like this. With Sean, camera.
Cameraman.
Pull it up. Okay, put this in there with Sean. Like this. Yeah, put them in there.
all you do is just push it if y'all can't see it, because I'm kind of a bad cameraman right now in this position.
So you both your hands there. Okay, now put the screws in there. Which one? All I do is just screw it in. Remember to use 2 hands. I need you to use 2 hands.
Okay.
Put it in there. See how Cameron doing? And Jalen doing?
I'm in the washing room, Nestle.
So you put that screw in there. Thank you.
To you.
Press it up.
Happy
And put the third one in there. Yeah, put it in the box, huh? Put it in there.
I tell them how much it costs.
How much it was? Like 20. It was about 20.
30.
It was like $30. I think about $30. You know what I'm saying?
So basically
And-
$60 if y'all need both.
Hey, hold the camera right, camera. I'm doing sloppy.
Yeah.
But even with this, like what we was doing before we got the dryer fixed to move in the new house, we were going to the washer tier, spending like about $40 just to, wash clothes.
Yep.
I ain't go, but you know what I'm saying? Somebody did. But that's a lot of money when we can go ahead and get the parts to fix it. So just do the math. You know what I mean? Just do the math. So all you gotta do is just put it in there. Put it in there. All right. Now jump back on the side.
Pause the video. Goodbye for a little bit.
I told him actually I need to fix it.
What thing?
This one.
I'll look at.
Okay, so all you gotta do is roll it back up. It's simple. I guess
Simple.
it's simple.
Simple, huh? Take you a long time. Let's show that it work. Let me show you that it works. I know. That's how you know it worked.
You gotta, what I gotta do?
Put it on 20.
Okay.
There we go. You crying? Scared?
I can hear the air. Oh, because the everything was broken.
Yeah. Come on, camera, fix the camera.
So I'm gonna turn it off. There you go.
Yeah.
And that's how you fix it.
Hold on, I'll be right back, guys.
I off.
I put it on. Baby, hold on. So that's basically in a nutshell how you fix dry your plug and change out the old one to a new one to a 3-prong plug. It's that simple. I said I didn't know anything about it. I didn't even know how to do it. And I'm at the same time teaching my boys how to fix it and save money. It's gonna save you some money in the long run. So it's very simple, you guys. Just go to the store, ask for another plug, take out the old one, put the screws back in the other one, and plug it back up and try not to electrocute yourself.
Yeah, you're gonna
This
die.
video is sponsored by Ray Shadow Legend.
So I hope you guys learned something. Come back to my channel soon.
Yeah.
Alright.
Basically, just come because of me. I'm the good people. I'm the cameraman right here.
Peace out.
Alright.
Without me, he wouldn't be back in the videos.
Yeah, peace out.